Hello, this is Abia1 and you are welcome you with another interesting video. In this video, our topic is very interesting topic, means today we are going to discuss position on path or position along path. Instead of moving our object one frame at a time, we create a specific path and then move our object along it. When we move, we animate, so a lot of our hard work is wasted and a lot of our time is wasted. So let's start. We will create a path like this, then move one of our objects on top of it. So let's create a shape layer with the help of the pen tool. Remember, you have to hold Shift. It has become our rough path over which we want to move our bike. We scale down our vector by 20%. Take it to the starting point. See, this is not an animation yet. Now the real work starts. We select the path of this shape layer. So we go below the content, here after content, go over the shape option, then go to the path, select the path, copy it, come here and select your bike position. Select the layer of bike and press P. Come here and paste your copied path. Now you can see our object is moving, but there is problem with accurate motion along path. Let's increase its accuracy a little more here. Great, but how can we do it? Select the layer of this vector, right click it, go to transform, and here at last we get an option of auto orient. We click here, then we get two options, off or orient along path. Means we want to turn it on or off. We turn it on, orient along path. Now you see our object starts moving smoothly along the path. See it this way. Now the magic is actually produced in our animation. Rotate your object further if it is still not moving along your path properly. You have to change the angle according to your angles, or you have to change the anchor point. I'm changing here the anchor point of it by pressing A. I'm taking it a little higher. Check out our awesome animations. Ready? Now our bike is moving perfectly along our path. This is how I made my shape layer more on the top. Now if I adjust it, the video will be longer. Now we learn to move the text apart from its path, so we create a new composition. Take your text layer, you can write anything you want to write. Here we take a mask and go to the toolbar. Select the shape layers tool and then select the ellipse shape. Hold down the Shift while dragging the shape layer. And here in the text, we go over the path option. Select the mask one, and in this way, our text directly starts moving around the mask layer. Check out the options below. First option is reverse path in path option. If we turn it on, it starts moving outside of our layer, and if we turn it off, it moves the text inside of our shape layer below. After that is perpend to path. If we turn it on, then it looks something like this. Then third option is force alignment. Spacing increases slightly if we select force alignment on and keep it off. After that we have the fourth option, first margin. Actually, our animation is with the first margin as we would animate the position. In other words, understand that if you want to animate the text, if we want to animate the position of the text, then with the first margin option, we will get this facility to move it. And last option is last margin. Also with this, we can move our text. Let me tell you again that if you want to move your text outside of the layer mask, you'll take the first option, reverse path, and if you want to move your text inside a shape layer or any path, you will turn off the reverse path option. I want to move it in and make my first frame on the first margin, then go to 2 seconds. Then after that, I change the videos of the first margin. Near about 2000, it could complete my text circle. It depends on the size of your layer.